Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. As you guys can tell from the thumbnail, man, this is not gonna be a good one. I gotta take B in. Somebody decided to run into my car when it was in the parking lot, so now I gotta take her into the shop. She's gotta get worked on, so I'm extremely angry. But I want to show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to both of these cars. So let's go ahead and hop in. We get ready to head to the shop. Let's get that cold start though. Corsa Extreme. And so like I said, guys, we on our way to the shop. I'm gonna be dropping her off. It just sucks, man. It sucks that you can't have nothing nice in this world, because people are just inconsiderate of others, personal property or whatever. And to say that, oh, it's just a little bit of damage. I'm gonna show you guys when we get there. It's a little bit of damage. It's not that big of a deal. What y'all don't know is the person tried to get away with it. So they tried to leave without leaving that information. That was the sucky part. You know what I mean? So luckily there was an eyewitness there to get the information. So we were good on that note. Yeah, so it's just like unfortunate that me and my wife got to go through this, man. It's like we work too hard to be able to have nice things, and other people just, they don't care, you know what I mean? And it would be an old raggedy van that would hit my car too, and it's just pissing me off because now it has to go in the shop. And they're not gonna give me something good to replace it. They're gonna give me something crazy, like a freaking I don't know, a Fiesta or something. I don't know. I'm not gonna be in something as nice as this Charger. So, like I said, that kind of irritates me, because that means my wife she has to drive whatever this vehicle is gonna be. To me, it's just like, it's all for like nothing. All the person had to do, and she parks super careful. Like my wife parks super careful when it comes to our cars. Like she parks like corner spots, away from people, just for this reason right here. And it just didn't matter. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're on our way there. I'm gonna get a couple pulls in B so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Pop the sunroof. I got the Corsa Extreme on here. Oh shit! Oh shit, you getting busy. Yeah, I got the Corsa Extreme on here, so this thing sounds incredibly good. I was gonna transfer it over on the Raven, but I just like the way this car is. I don't want to do nothing to it, you know what I mean, to mess up everything that I've done to this car. I just rather leave it the way it is. Either I'm gonna get an exhaust for Raven, or I'm gonna just build on what I got, because really all I need is some headers, high flow cats, and it'll bring that car to life. I mean, it's already loud. My wife say I don't know how loud the car really is. and I'm kind of deaf. You know, I've been to war, Afghanistan, so she might be right. Like, I really can't hear, you know, how loud my car is. So I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, I'm not doing anything that requires a tune for a while. So we're gonna keep it the way we got it. So, but let's enjoy B. Shit! Now look, guys, I love. We close this. Listen, I love my 392. Don't get it twisted. I know I don't put it on the channel no more. It's all about the Hellcat and everything. But look, I love this car, man. This car is amazing. It sounds amazing. It handles amazing. There's nothing wrong with a 392 Scatpack. Still a dope car. Like I said, if you're in the market for a Charger Challenger, Scatpacks are fine. You don't have to jump out there and get that Hellcat. But man, these things are more than enough power, and they're nimble. And this car feels way smaller, obviously, because I got the wide body Charger. This thing just feels small and nimble. Like I can just weave in and out of traffic. You know what I mean? So this thing is fun, man. It's loads of fun, and it looks pretty damn good still. So you don't have to go get the new wide body, nothing like that. Narrow body is cool. You still look great. Still perform good. Even though the new one's got the upgraded suspension and everything, but there's nothing wrong with this car, man. I love it. Of course, I got it in track mode. Everything track. You know, I say I never really drive in track mode. I got it for now. 392 power. That was my old Instagram feed, Scatpack. Told you this thing gets up. She got some juice. How many miles I got on this thing? About 829. I think when I bought this car, it had 11 miles on it, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, this got the roof. Raven does not have the sunroof. Like I said, it wasn't a deal breaker, so I'm not too concerned with it. I still get much enjoyment out of B. Of course, this one got the performance pages as well. Like I said, guys, man, this cat is perfect, man. It's a perfect tweener. Okay, we got somebody. He wants some action. Look. Be an undercover cop. I'm not gonna fall for the banana in the tailpipe. I don't know if you guys can hear that noise, man. That's the noise I just cannot stand with this, with the window louvers. It's like a rattling noise. But the louvers look good, so I ain't mad at it.
It's off, is there? Anything like that? Because basically, when this thing gonna go in the paint shop,
yeah,
we're gonna have to completely gut the whole bumper. The bumper got these, got the grills, and the fog lights. It's gotta just be the bumper, so they can hang it on the rack and spray it.
There's no way to leave it attached.
No, because we don't do that type of stuff.
Yeah. No, I'm saying the front lip and all that. Like, just leave it attached. If you get what I'm saying.
We can't because...
How much of you got to spray in the front?
So basically, the blue...
Yeah.
Blue metallic right here.
Uh-huh.
We're going to have to spray this area right here. And then we're going to have to blend that clear coat. The clear coat's going to be all full around.
Oh.
Yep.
I mean, I think it's just regular tools behind the...
Okay.
Let's see.
I mean...
Like, once you get behind it...
I mean, sometimes these things come with, like... You didn't install this yourself.
Nah, I had a guy do it. He runs a business, so...
Should be no biggie because it looks like it's just an Allen wrench.
Yeah.
Allen wrenches.
As long as it goes back in the same spot, I'm cool. Yeah, I mean, it's my pride and joy right here.
This is a original color?
Yeah. Yep. Factory color. B5 blue.
Never seen this color.
They rare out here. That's why I picked it. When I seen it, I was going to get a white one with black stripes.
Okay.
Huh? Oh, Tacoma Dodge.
Yeah, that's our vendor.
Nice.
The spoiler lip kit, the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Bought that with it too?
Yeah, nah, that's from Family Customs.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah. It's 5-piece carbon fiber kit.
What's the horse on it?
It's 485 with 475 torque. Yeah.
How you doing today, man?
Doing good.
Good.
It's the car my wife drives though.
What?
I got a Hellcat, man. I got a black Hellcat with purple accents. No, that's a Scatpack. It's just I did the Hellcat hood. I switched out the badges, all that.
Like I do here, production may take care of that. At work authorization form, the first signature is indicating that you give us permission to take care of damages of the vehicle. So it'll be a finger signature and hit next.
So you want a signature or like initial?
Finger signatures.
Oh my goodness! See, I go from this to that. they never give you equal. Where's the charger at? Oh my goodness! right. You see?
All right.
You see how they do me?
It's in Utah.
It's in Utah.
Next one is power of authority, which means that if you do not pick your vehicle in a timely fashion, let's say, watch your back. Let's say 2 months go by, you never answer your call, we're assuming that you don't want your vehicle, so just give us permission to tow the vehicle.
Okay.
But we keep you updated every time in the process. If it's not me, most of the time it's going to be Amanda. We'll give you text messages, call, whatever you prefer. Okay. So this is what that power of attorney means. Okay.
Generally, how long is something like this going to take? Because it's just that little corner. Well, right there.
I'll ask my production manager. He's the expert. He's the magician. So I'll see what his magic does for this. Hold on, man.
It's broken.
It just loads too long. So this right here is indicating that your insurance company is aware and that they're going to pay us direct.
Okay.
If there's any supplements or anything, that we send it over to them and they cover it.
Okay. I'm going through his insurance, which is Geico.
Oh, perfect. So
yeah.
No,
I'm with USAA. So.
Yeah, so that's the good insurance company. Actually, the best one.
Why you gonna say that? Where she right there? She's standing there. Oh, you heard her.
All right. This one is just an estimate that we're going to still send you or give you a final bill at the end. So this is just information that you can keep for yourself.
Okay.
Last one is that you get permission to give you a phone call, text message, or email, whatever you prefer.
How long do you think something like this gonna take? That's it?
I'm gonna have to get that tinted on the reflector.
Yeah.
It's gonna take, probably take half a day. I gotta take it over to the tint shop.
Okay.
I'm not sure if the actual reflector is damaged.
I hope
We'll
not.
strip that off.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Russell, real quick.
At Gmail.
Tint 'em. You should smoke 'em.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't like the way it look? It sounds like you telling me you don't like the way it look.
No, because I had people tint them before, but then you can see the
where it start cracking and bubbling. Yeah.
But when you actually smoke them, that thing look clean.
Yeah.
We can do them here too.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, I might have to bring my Hellcat up here then.
You're good to go in our end.
It's really not a single dent. I don't really want to draw on your car.
Yeah.
But we'll take care of it. We'll put it inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty much like I said, just that little corner right there. Like he hit it and then he tried to bounce.
Cops don't pull you over with the 5% tint you got here?
Nah. And I got, what, 50 on the windshield?
Damn, that's why I can't see you in there. I'm like,
Right.
man.
I'll tell you, my Hellcat works, man. My Hellcat, I got 20% on the windshield. Like, you can't see in there at all. Nothing. And the cops don't even mess with me, man. They just freaking, because I live right in, and they just freaking, you know how they sit there in that little, where
They
that
probably know who you are.
gas station used to be? And they just, like the sheriff that pulled up on this side of the accident, he was like, I know this car. He like, because my wife drive it all around there. He like, I see it all the time.
Yeah.
And I was like, cool.
That's cool. That's good, man.
Cool.
Well, thank you so much, boss. She'll take care of you, and I'll take that for
Yep.
you. All right, thank you so much.
All right, I appreciate it.
Appreciate you.
Hi.
How you doing?
You're not gonna get that great of a car compared to yours.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, everyone's taking them on vacations. They go on like two-day mini trips. So they're like, oh, I guess I'll just take the nicest car here. So it's okay.
I knew I was gonna get something like this.
It's all right. It's like a what? It's like 2019 Nissan Altima.
I do YouTube, so
Okay.
that's why I was like, anything car related goes on YouTube. They put me in a Nissan Altima. I go from that to this.
That's a nice car.
I appreciate it, man.
My dad's got the Hellcat.
Huh?
My dad's got the Hellcat.
I got a Hellcat too, man. Yeah.
But he's in California. He's part of Mopar SoCal.
Oh, nice.
So he does that.
They doing it big, man. I'm in a Nissan. No offense to Nissan, but it ain't that. I'm gonna miss her. So there you have it, guys. I mean, we're leaving the collision center right now. I'm in this Altima. Of course, it's not a Charger or anything cool like that, so I have to rock this for a couple days. The wife's gonna drive this for a couple days while I drive the Hellcat. Even though I don't like it, I like having her in something nice too. So, but it is what it is. We gonna keep going. We gonna keep pushing. Little setback, man. Luckily, it wasn't too much damage on the car, so he told me it's gonna be a quick 2-day thing. I don't know if you guys heard it in the video, so I'm with it. Just wanted to get done quick so I can have my car back so my wife could be back in it. I'm about to head to the mall.